During a Chinese dinner event in St. Nicholas, a gentleman sitting next to me told me that he's very interested to learn Tai Chi. He even tried to follow some online lesson, okay, but he still have some problems. So, as usual, I try to understand the problem area and I show him one of the exercise, hopefully can help him. At that time, he asked me, what did I teach him? I said, DaoYin Qigong. Is that Tai Chi? I said, no. And soon after that, the table next to us, somebody came and said, what you do is not Tai Chi. I said, yes, exactly. I did not say I do Tai Chi. What I have learned and practiced is DaoYin Qigong. When I started to learn DaoYin Qigong with Master Lan Xuru in Taiwan in 1985, at that time I suffered the physical problems and also nearly burned out. So at that time, Master Lan simply told me one thing: start from the beginning, learn from the beginning. And very important is learn to connect with your body and mind, not to force your body to do the things that your body is not yet ready or do it correctly. I knew exactly what was the cause of my physical problems before 1985 because I was too eager to train my body and I damaged my back. So when the Sifu told me about DaoYin Qigong, I did not question what was he exactly trying to teach me, because he simply put me aside separately. He guided me according to my physical conditions. Master Lan Xuru was a very good Kung Fu master, martial art. But with him, I did not learn martial art because for him, he also understood the whole idea is help me to recuperate and rebuild my physical energy and bring my body and mind back together again. So do I practice Tai Chi? I can practice Tai Chi with other people, but I don't teach Tai Chi. Because for me, there is nothing more important to reconnect my body and mind every day through the very relaxing exercise that does not damage my health.